right, and then excuse you, did you just take my M&M? Oh my gosh! I need to hold my breath. Please stay, please. Hey Princess Squad, it's Thi
and Sprinkles, and today we're gonna make some Pop It Candy.
Yep, we saw a viral TikTok, actually lots of viral TikToks of people making Pop It candy. They'll be filling the inside of their Pop Its with random candies,
which we have
and
here.
then putting like chocolate or gummies to fill it in. So we're gonna be making our very own. Yes, she loves Skittles, you guys.
So here are some of our Pop It molds. We have pineapples, tie-dye circles, and here are some of the options for putting the candies on the inside. We have some marshmallows, sweet tarts, M&M, Skittles, some Spree, Reese's Pieces, and dots.
For the option of to make the actual outside, we have candy melts in different colors. We have gummies, Sour Patch Kids, the jumbo version, Jolly Rancher, and Freeze Pops, you guys.
All right, first things first, we're gonna pick our mold. So I'm gonna let you go first. All right, probably know what you're gonna do.
You guys already know the pineapple Pop It, you guys, my favorite. Gonna get this one.
And my favorite is this tie-dye one. It's so pretty.
It is super pretty. Okay, so now we have to pick the filling on the inside. So I think I'm gonna go with Skittles.
You gonna go with Skittles? I'm gonna go with some chocolate M&Ms.
And then for the rest of the Pop It, I think I'm gonna go with white chocolate.
And I'll go for some gummies.
I'm going to pour my white chocolate candy melt here. You know, maybe that's enough, we'll see. And I got my pineapple on a plate. And of course I got my Skittles. Okay. They taste so good. All right, I think I'm all prepared now. Oh my goodness, those gummies look so good.
They look so pretty.
All right, I got my Skittles. Let me just go ahead and put it in the bowl.
Let me sit here and eat some of my gummies. And watch her do it.
Next up, going to melt this chocolate. Gonna put it in the microwave. Got the chocolate all melted and gonna pour it in here.
Okay, that's how you do it. Okay.
I don't know, I just saw it on TikTok. Hopefully it turns out okay, you guys.
This is why I let her try it first.
I'm like the guinea pig.
Next. Yes, she's the guinea pig.
Exactly.
But so far it seems easy enough.
So far, so now I think I'm gonna put it in the freezer. And yeah, good luck on yours. It smells so good, you guys. Like, oh my gosh.
All right, so it's my turn, and I got some chocolate M&Ms, and I'm just gonna copy what she did. All right, and then excuse you, did you just take my M&M? Anyways, like I was saying before, I got distracted. We were supposed to melt this, but I think it would be a better idea to separate each color. Well, actually, it was her idea to separate each color. So, and then we can put it in here, right?
Yeah, or else I think you're gonna get like a brown blob.
Yeah, so let's go ahead and separate.
Blue.
An eternity later, we are still sorting gummy bears. Actually, we're doing it pretty fast. Oops, that was supposed to go there. You know what? It's okay, it's just one color. Okay, so all the colors are separated into the ones that I want. Now it's time to melt it.
Are you gonna throw them all in the microwave at the same time or separate time?
I think it's separate times, huh? I really don't know. It's my first time.
Let's try it separately and see what happens.
Yeah, good point. So here's our melted blue gummy, and we're just going to put some all around in sporadic places. Okay, here is a red gummy and it smells like cherry. All right, so here's our yellow gummy. Oh no, it's on my bowl. It's okay, and I'm gonna try and mix it in. Look, the blue and the yellow make green. And here's our green. I'm gonna put it right up here with the blue since we have yellow right there. You gotta work fast with the gummies because they are quick to dry. And the last one, we have our orange. All right, I think I'm done. What do you think of this beauty?
It is. Let's stick it in the freezer and see where it goes. All right, while we're waiting, I say we make one more. Might as well. Let me just fill in the marshmallows.
Marshmallows, I hope.
I think I'm gonna be a little OCD and like have these stand up. Okay, we got the chocolate. Let's melt it. Okay, our chocolate is now melted and let's put it in our mold.
All right, time to put it in the freezer.
Took it out of the freezer and it's a chocolate bar!
And this is a gummy.
I can't wait to open it up. So let's cross our fingers because I've seen people take these out and it crumbles. But yeah, we'll try our best.
Well, you know how I'm gonna take mine out. All right, it's the moment of truth, guys. I'm actually kind of nervous. All right, so it came out in pieces, but it's okay because it's chocolate and we can always glue it back. So that's what we're gonna do.
We're gonna melt some white chocolate and use it as glue. All right, so I got some melted chocolate here. I'm just gonna like put a little bit on the edges like that, and we're just gonna use it as glue to glue this piece together. All right, I stuck mine in the freezer because I glued it back together.
And I think I'm gonna attempt to take this one out.
I'm nervous for you.
I don't think I should go this way because it's just gonna be a big blob, so I'm just gonna slap it on here. All right, it's the moment of truth. I'm just gonna push it down like if it was a Pop It to get it out of its socket. I can't even see what I'm doing, guys.
Oh my goodness, hopefully it lifts.
Oh, is it coming out?
I think it's stuck to the plate, I think.
Oh man, wait.
It might.
I see some success. Hopefully y'all can too. Okay.
I think it's coming.
It's gonna take a while, but it's coming. Right, one layer down. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is like taking all my muscle power.
Oh my goodness.
I can't even
We got
lift
one
it.
layer, guys.
Ah!
Success!
Woo! What do y'all think?
It was a lot of hard work.
It's even stuck to the plate. But it literally took an eternity to take it out.
It's so pretty and it's like a gummy and we could totally eat it.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I got my pineapple one outside the freezer. It's all stuck together now. But we have to take out our final one here, which is this chocolate one with the marshmallows.
I hope
Good
we
luck.
can take it out in one piece. Or I can take it out in one piece. Alright, so let's try to take this out in one piece. I'm actually going to flip it and slowly lift. Oh my gosh! I need to hold my breath. Please stay. Please stay. One piece. Ah! It looks so good. Whoop, whoop. And there she is.
Okay, guys, success! Super excited, high five!
Make a dream work.
Yep, so these are the viral TikTok Fidget Pop It Candies. And we got our Skittles with the white chocolate. We also have our marshmallows with the regular chocolate.
And we also have the chocolate M&Ms with the gummy bears.
Okay, now it's time to mess it up. Well, actually, now it's time to pop it first.
Okay.
All right, let's pop it. Okay, so
You
here
go
we
first. You go first.
Here, I got mine, and let's pop, 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 pop.
And pop, 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 pop. Doo-doo-doo. This is actually kind of satisfying.
You do the honors. You guys, leave a comment below. Let us know which one your favorite combination is, because now it's time to eat.
Ah, I'm
All right,
excited.
I'm gonna break this in half. And break it in half again. I know we just glued it
Wait.
back, but
Oh my gosh, can you even break it? Oh, there it
There you
goes.
go. Here you go.
Oh,
You got
try.
a smaller piece.
I'm gonna try one. White chocolate's good. I think.
The Skittles kind of hard though.
Oh, that was the Skittle or my tooth. I'm not sure.
The white chocolate was good.
Okay. And you tell me that one. This one has to be good. I'm still chewing on the Skittles.
See if I can break it. Oh, look at this, you guys.
Perfect.
Perfect.
All right. I thought you were gonna hold one side, not gonna hold one side.
Nope, give me my own piece.
At least the marshmallow is still super soft.
It's like
look,
s'mores.
like a little pillow.
It is.
I thought it'd be hard, but this one's really good.
Time for that other one too.
This one's more tricky. I'm nervous.
It's stuck to the plate.
I'll hold the plate down while you grab it. Cause you literally have to hold this down.
Oh my
Like,
god, I'm trying to use my nails and.
okay, go ahead, girl. Yeah, use your muscles.
It's broken.
Use your muscles.
Nope. I got a little bit of chocolate and a little bit of
This
gummy.
stayed stationary. All you got was chocolate. All right, let me try. I'm gonna go
Oh.
on this side.
Mm-mm.
I'm nervous. She's saying,
That's a terrible combination.
You picked it.
It's pretty though.
All right, hold on. Oh!
Here, hold the plate.
Hold the plate. Let me try to get some gummy. All right. I got a success, but now I'm scared because she said it wasn't that combination.
Yeah. My favorite is either the marshmallows with the chocolate or the white chocolate with the Skittles. Probably the marshmallows with the chocolate because that's a good combination.
This is perfect, but it's not good. This is my favorite.
I agree. Alright you guys, that's it in today's video. Leave a comment down below to let us know what other challenges or what other fidget DIYs you would like us to make. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe because we actually tried really hard to make these fidget candies. It was a lot of work. Well, it was really her with the peeling, but you know, I'm here for the credit too. Also follow us on our TikTok and our Instagram at
PrincessClaw.official.
and always remember to dream big
Have fun.
and be kind.
Bye.